Okay, this is our wacky, tacky, retarded, stupid towel fashion show. Okay, this is all Alexis's clothes, so
It's beautiful.
yeah. Get out of here. Okay, I'm gonna start it. This one is our wacky, tacky towel.
Oh yeah, look at that towel. That is a hot towel.
Get out of here.
She has to finish.
I thought she was finished.
Okay, next up, we have Alexis Capone.
Oh yeah. Oh, you're lucky I missed that. Please fix yourself. Sexy towel. With those rainbows and hearts, she just wants something.
And next up, Alexa.
One.
Yeah, whatever her last name is.
You ain't know.
Oh no!
She's being all preppy.
What happens next? Dresses with Sarah. No, these are retarded Alexis's stupid dresses.
Hey,
They are hot.
here, take this, Lex.
I need to get changed in my lovely dresses.
This is my sundress.
My sundress.
Okay, and whoa, my gum stuck to my hair. Well, someone's not ready, so I'll just keep going.
I need to dance to one song, Lex.
Okay, ready?
I can dance to one whole song.
Yes, Sarah, you have to dance to one whole song.
So, they're going slow. This is what it's supposed to happen.
Relax.
Well, I'm gonna play b-ball. Ice cream, cherries on top. How many boyfriends do I got? I should have stopped.
One.
I have one boyfriend.
Yes, it's Aaron Liebel. She doesn't even know his last
I
name.
can't pronounce his last name.
Liebel.
Alexis, how does this thing work?
Okay,
Oh.
hold up, okay? Because I'm gonna go help her with her dress.
Oh yeah.
You should feel really bad for me. Hey, shut your mouth, you. Yes. I have to hang out with these retards.
Oh,
Just kidding. I love you guys. I love you guys.
I'm never gonna be able to do that.
Yes. Okay. This is my Halloween costume from last year.
Hold on, it's not mine. Drop the hat.
It's amazing.
Hold on, this is really.
Wait, you have to put on the headband. Okay, so have fun with this one. It's really nice. You're gonna love it.
No, you won't.
Yes, Jay will.
Okay. Here it goes.
Okay, you.
Alexa the guitar.
Because I am a hot guitar and you want me. Do you want to play me?
Alexis, you're in it.
Hi. Do you like my hat? Okay, how long do I have to do this for?
Until she gets hers on.
Because I'm white and I like to dance and I'm white and I'm whiter.
I'm whiter than you.
I'm whiter than all y'all, especially you.
I know.
Because we don't know what you are.
Puerto Rican.
Stop lying to yourself.
Just hurry up. Because you're fat.
Shut up. Are you gonna do my stuff, Lex?
It's a crisis.
Why am I the chocolate boy? I can't get it.
Like a lusty crackhead.
I'll bend over and get it.
Go ahead.
It's good.
It's having some trouble.
I'm tired.
Okay.
Diet.
Okay,
Where?
do that.
Bow.
Technical difficulties, people. With
Shut up, Lex.
dress situations. So we're all gonna just look at magical body spray. Look, it's juice and sparkly. It's beautiful. There's a bite guard here. That's gross.
What?
There's a bite guard. There's a puppy. Cheerleader.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm
Ready? This is my graduation dress that I used last year.
This is taught.
Yes, 6th grade graduation. Hated it.
Dance around and be retard.
Cause you would.
Oh my god.
Aaron's love is my drug.
You're right. This is really uncomfortable, and the hat just makes me look weird.
I'm white too, and I can do whatever.
You're definitely.
I can do the white trick.
You can't do the white jig as well as me. If we had a white off, I'd beat you, Sarah. That picture suits you.
If we had a black off, I'd beat you off.
I know, you're the blackest here. You're blacker than
Here comes
Alexis.
my part. You love.
I would go to you right now, but I don't. I like your beard. Did you say I like your beard to Alexis?
Yes.
I knew she had a beard.
Does it look like I have a beard?
Comment yes.
Hey!
Sarah's almost done.
Sarah should hurry up.
Shut up, at least I couldn't get into it.
You know what? Mine is a guitar with a hat. You know what? You can cry.
I'm gonna be Shannon Heron.
Alexis, that was not necessary.
Okay, this next one is gonna be the chart.
Alright, this goes to you now.
This is the chart station, and sorry, no, I'm not putting. I just got my outfit. This is the chart
They're retarded.
station right now. So
This is dressing station.
Will you get out of my scarf? Oh god.
and this is the chart
Boom
station.
shot.
Alright, go over there. This is dressing station.
This is the chart station right now.
I'd wear that out.
You would.
I would too.
Oh, I can't bend over because you will see my camo underwear.
Ah!
Right? I'm gonna show you how it is to be a black person. Oh, that was really bad. I'm gonna show you how to black jerk. Okay, I suck at joking, so you know that thing Beyonce does when she goes like this? I can do it. Oh.
Wait, that Beyonce Sarah wants to have a dance off with you.
Yeah, Beyonce. Me, you. Let's
Can't
do
dance
it.
or shit.
Why don't you try to dance?
Shut your mouth.
Show them how you dance.
I already showed them.
Okay, yeah, she wants to have a dance off with you.
Yes, I do.
Alexis, this is like a maze. The skirt, man. It's like 12 belts on it.
Oh my god, don't undo the belts. They are horrible.
I did already.
We're gonna have to do the next one. It's 8.
Oh, is it? What time is it?
8:50.
Oh, you're good. You have to like 9 something. Alright, so it goes. I think the skirt's like not gonna fit, right?
Oh god, Lex. Just hurry up and put it on.
I can't. It's like not
That
gonna.
was the scariest shit in the world.
Oh my god.
You guys see that? It's turned off. Okay, I'm gonna go help her so you.
No, this skirt. I don't even know where the hell it is.
My room is haunted, I swear.
I don't know where the hell it's.
It's my window.
Alexis, no
That's-
one's looking at me.
That's my flag. Hold on.
I don't know. I think it's
Oh, wait.
all the way around. It's like
There we go. Let's zoom in on my purple and green flag. This is the flag of my nation. Isn't it pretty?
Hold that.
what this?
Whoa! Did you guys just see what just happened?
Alright,
Nice.
my radio keeps turning off. Kind of scared.
Hey, come here.
It's my love. Your drug.
Yeah, I just have to turn this to the side. So